As you can see, the ants crawling through the bricks of our garage, and I can see there is an opening here, and the ants go in and out through these tiny holes. I've been looking on the internet and I've been reading some review, and apparently these ant granules can help getting rid of the ants. So according to the instruction, all I need is just spread the granules around this area and also around this area, and the ants will grab the granules and then they going to pick it up and they'll carry it to their nest, and when they consume it, it will actually poison them and kill them. It looks like sand, very tiny. It smells like morphine, you know, the ant killer, the ant spray, the insect spray. Ants around it. And this is the garage area, and as you can see, this line is actually the ant trails leaving the mark. So what I'm going to do is also spread the granules around. Okay, I'm gonna leave this for a couple of days and see what the result looks like. Apparently there were lots of ants going in and out from this opening. As you can see, this is like a quite big opening for insects to go in and out. And I also have this liquid that I bought a couple years ago but never use it. So I was doing a trial on this liquid. I put the liquid into this milk lid, and as you can see, there's a lot of dead ants, and I'm hoping that some of the ants will carry the liquid back into their nest and will actually consume it and kill the whole nest, including the queen. So I don't see lots of ants going in and out this afternoon. So I'm not sure if that's working, but I'm gonna have to check again tomorrow morning. Okay, this is day 1 after I applied the granules. So apparently I can see the result now. In 24 hours, I don't see any ants or ant trails coming in and out from this opening all the way up to this opening. And going back to this section, I can still see the ants coming in and out from this opening, but the liquid's sort of like drying out. It's quite dry at the moment, so it's not attracting the ants anymore. But this one also sort of working, but it's not as effective as the granule. Going back to this area, it's quite messy. It looks like a lot of sands, but according to the instruction, it's biodegradable. So I think after a while, when rains comes, it will flush it out, and I think it will degrade. It will degrade naturally. Okay, this is the side of the garage after about 3 or 4 days, and I don't see any more ants crawling to the attic or the roof. So the granules pretty much working for me. Okay, so if you find this video useful, please don't forget to give a like and comment. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.